Jake here from Jake's Aviation, back with another mall unboxing video. This time the setup's a little bit different. I've changed up the lighting and I've kind of added this white backdrop to make things a little bit better. But yeah, let's get right into it. This time we are unboxing and reviewing the American Airlines Embraer E190. This aircraft was retired from their fleet. I forget which year it was retired, but the reason I picked this model up, nothing to do with LA or anything, but this aircraft was one that used to fly into the Cayman Islands, into Grand Cayman, during the winter season on the Philadelphia route. So going forward, I've decided that I want to start getting some models of aircraft that have flown in there or fly into Cayman currently. So I decided to snag this E190. I got it from Waffle Collectibles. It was part of a collection sale, I believe. So decided to pick this up. You know, I haven't really mentioned this, but I've been thinking that in the future, I do want to do a model airport for the Cayman Islands, my home, and replicate some of the models from the past and the future. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get to the unboxing review of this E190. So here we have the model, the GeminiJets 1/400 scale American E190. Here's a box, standard GeminiJets box. It's from 2016. So yeah, obviously the ex-US area is buried here. Some of the information. Oh, my bad, I hit the camera. There's some of the information right there. Registration November 953 UW. I'm pretty sure. There's them all right there. This one actually did fly in the islands. I'll have to double check to see if I caught it there or not. But either way, decided to pick this up. So here we have the model. Fix the box up. Alright, here's the model. There's no plastic or anything. I'll take it out there. Oh, the plastic's on the top. It's stuck to the top. Alright, so here we have the model. Looking really nice. This is the 190, not the 95, so it's a little shorter, but nonetheless it's a very nice looking model. So let's go ahead and zoom in for the detail. I'm going to adjust the camera here slightly. Alright. Starting off, GeminiJets, their E190 mold, E175 mold, all that, their ERJ Embraer ERJ molds in general. The nose is just a little off. I don't know what it is about it. It's just not accurate. It's a little too pointy or something. I think it could use a refinement, some refining. But yeah, so there we have the cockpit windows, some details around there. The L1 door, the little One World logo next to it. American Airlines logo. You got the nose gear, looking pretty good. Haven't really paid too much attention to how accurate that is, but it looks decent. It's not bent, or it's a little forward, but I think that's how they are. And then we have the American titles. Got the engines, the wings, they're a little flexed. Unfortunately, they could be a little less flexed. Got the gear looking a little tilted there. It might be. I'll have to check that out, but. Head on, the engines, they're looking pretty good. They're not bent up or anything, so that's nice. The wings are a little too flexed in my opinion. That's a classic GeminiJets. That's almost like a signature GeminiJets model thing, flexed wings. But yeah, moving along, got that overwing exit, the overwing exit markings there on the wing, if it'll focus. Some good detail and everything right there. Moving along, you got the American flag registration. It said 953 Uniform Whiskey. Got 953 underneath it, then the rear door there. Got this little piece right here on the bottom, which is pretty accurate, and then you got the tail with the American flag, the red, white, and blue colors. We're gonna spin around. There's the head on. Pretty good. That gear is looking a little tilted at the looking at it at the left main gear in this case. When you turn it the other way with the right main gear, it's looking a little bent. Yeah, you can see it's a little bent, but again, this was from a previous collector, I'm pretty sure. It's no big deal. I think I can Yeah, I could just bend it back, no problem. So I just bent it back right There, fixed it, no problem. But other than that, there's underneath. Speaking of, there we go, got the underbelly. Some good detail and stuff right there. And then on this side, you got the front door there, the baggage door, and then the aft baggage door. But overall, you know, pretty good model. I don't know. I think the biggest thing is those flexed wings. It looks a little unrealistic, in my opinion. I think the color is also pretty good on this. It looks like they got the color pretty much accurate to what the color is in real life. That's something that GeminiJets just always struggled with across various aircraft types, getting the color right. But to me, this color looks pretty good, even in this you know, sort of different lighting situation. But yeah. So anyway, there you have it, guys. The American E190. Just a quick review of this model. I'm sure there's plenty of reviews out there of it, but I decided, you know, since it's the first one for me, I'm gonna throw it out there again. I don't know how easy it is to get this. I picked this up, I'm pretty sure it's just one from a collection sale from Waffle Collectibles. So, you know, if one ever does pop up again, probably on Waffle Collectibles when they do one of the collection sales, if someone has it and is selling it, I do recommend it. It's a very nice model. There is that little antenna on the bottom, which is nice. There's none on the top, which I guess because it's an older model is why. And I don't even think the Breeze E195 that I have has the antennas on the top. I can't remember, but yeah. Anyways, guys, that's gonna do it for this video. So I hope you all enjoyed. Like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more model unboxing videos, plane spotting videos, etc. on the channel. But yes, happy Monday, and stay tuned for more. See you later, guys. Bye bye.